If you are wondering if we have the game Turbo on a Nothing phone for a Pro, then the answer is yes. While playing a game, you should be able to find this little bar on the left side, and you can just simply slide it into the middle of the phone in order to open this game Turbo panel. It is actually called Game Mode. Unfortunately, it doesn't have many options. We have the performance mode, a couple of additional options here and there, but that is essentially all that we have. Of course, we can also go to settings in order to find some additional options, but still the list of options or list of features is not really that impressive. Also, if you open the navigation bar, like the navigation bar here, or if you use 3 buttons for navigation, if you show them on your phone, then here we can find this game dashboard button, which allows you to access a couple of additional features, like for example the FPS counter, the screen recorder button, the screenshot button, the ND mode, optimization for some games, achievements, leaderboards, and also we have the option to stream our gameplay. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.